Today's moment in the Word. I am slipping. Today's verse. When I said my foot is slipping, your love, O Lord, supported me. When anxiety was great within me, your consolation brought joy to my soul. And that's found in Psalms 94, verses 18 and 19. Have you ever lost your footing? My son Nathan did. I went climbing a small rock with my two oldest boys, and Nathan was rising above me. He was almost to the top of our little climb when his foot slipped. I was below on a ledge, and as Nathan came sliding down the face, I was able to catch him. We hugged, and I helped him back up where he completed the climb. I went with him the whole way. I don't know who was more scared, Nathan or me. I loved my son and did everything I could to stop him from getting hurt. Our feet slip, don't they? Every day, anxiety, pressure, and the complexities of life assault us and knock us off balance. The good news is that we can have a Father waiting to catch us and help us back up the trail. Today's prayer. Father, when my feet slip, I am thankful for your help and support. When I am troubled today, I ask that you make me conscious of your presence and bring a deep joy to my soul. Amen. Thanks for joining me today with Moment in the Word. We'll be here Monday through Friday, and I look forward to sharing with you. You know, you can share this with others. You can go ahead and subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of the devotions. As well, we have other materials that you can find on ronovitt.com. That's ronovitt.com.